Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We want to continue with our beginners tutorial series. This tutorial we're going to focus on the arpeggio, or let's say to make it sound easier, the picking style. So picking each string one by one. So you can, the normal and the simplest ways to maybe use the thumb to pick one. So I'm using C. So C, F, G. So or you can do it with the thumb and the index finger. Yeah, so that's the simplest way to do picking, but there's a more professional way to do the arpeggio. So we are going to use three fingers: the index ring, index middle ring, and the thumb. So the thumb is going to take care of the top three. 1, 2, 3. So I mostly prefer to use the fifth, fourth, but I often start from the fourth because it's easier. Then your index will be under the third string. This one will be on top. Thumb will be on top of the fourth. Index will be under. Middle will be under the second string. Ring finger will be under the first string. So try in such a way that you can plug all of them at once. And add a thumb. So we are going to pick from the fourth to the first. So always remember to bring these fingers under whilst this one is on top, or you can start from the sixth. Then you can do a reverse picking from the ring finger to the index. So let's do with the C, F, G. So arpeggio is basically playing the chords, the notes that form the chords, one after the other, in within the frame that you're playing that chord. Like, you see, it's just a strum. If there are a lot of spaces, so the arpeggio is going to fill those one. So if you add the A minor chord, it will make it sound nice. Like from C, F, G, then go to A minor. So I think the 3 will sound nice. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for the arpeggio. So try and practice there so that you can just be picking them randomly. I mostly don't follow any pattern, but sometimes I just pick them one after the other, like 1, 2, 3 in that order. But when it comes to coming up, I can pick each of them, any of them randomly. But yeah, so far as it make it sound nicer, you're good to go. So that's how we play, we pick. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video this far, and if you have any comments, kindly leave in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share to your friends as well, hit the notification bell icon so that you be the first person to see my videos. Thank you, and see you next time.